this whole period has been amazing. So congratulations. You're one of the top 3 teams. So huge congratulations.
The drone bots technology is looking to implement a technology that does not rely on the internet technology, but it provides its own connectivity. This is useful to transmit information on a faster way that makes the government authorities take quicker decisions and to promote a quicker recovery from impacts of disasters.
For me, it's because we are addressing a real need in Guatemala. And I think it's going beyond, Spark, because we are addressing real need in the country. And with the Spark Award, so we'll be able to do just as that. And we are very excited because we think that with this project, so this will be the beginning, not just for Guatemala, but also for the Lacro region. We would be able to make a very good case in the country, address this real need, and then we could be able to replicate and to escalate this, not just at the national level, but also at the Lacro level. So very excited, to be honest.